Just stopped for tonight here in California. Gonna make some steak again for tonight. Got some eggs boiling in there so I can make egg sandwiches for lunch tomorrow. Yep. So I got some mushrooms and onions cut up. Steak, mushrooms, and onions. Don't get tired of it. Dinner served. Better than that fast food junk that they got going on at the truck stops. McDonald's suck. Godfather's Pizza suck. Wendy's suck. Taco Bell suck. Burger King trash. Make your own food, drivers. Stop being lazy. Have a great night.